Hello and welcome to Express Drives. My name is Shakti and right in front of you is the new Gen 3 version of the Ather 450X. The Ather 450 was first launched in India in June 2018, while the updated 450X made its debut in January 2020. Now, 2.5 years later, Ather has given the 450X a set of comprehensive updates which might not look big on paper, but they are those vitals which actually matter in real world conditions. So has India's best electric scooter got even better? Let's find out. Starting with the design first. So in terms of appearance, the Gen 3 version of the Ather 450X looks completely identical to its predecessor. While it is a handsome scooter, we believe Ather should have given it some cosmetic updates or at least introduced some new color schemes. Also, it is worth mentioning that the 450X finally gets new rear view mirrors, which not only look good but also offer a much better view of what's behind. Talking about major upgrades, Ather has updated the powertrain of this electric scooter. While it still gets an electric motor with a peak power output of 6 kW and torque of 26 Nm, the battery is now much larger. The Ather 450X now gets a 3.7 kWh lithium-ion battery pack as opposed to 2.9 kWh unit in the earlier model. Thanks to the updated battery pack, it now offers more range than before. The claimed range in ideal conditions has gone up from 106 km per charge to 146 km per charge. However, Ather focuses more on real-world performance, and so its true range is rated at 105 km per charge as opposed to 85 km per charge in the earlier model. It is worth mentioning that when we took it for a ride, it showed an expected riding range of 101 km per charge in the Smart Eco mode, and at that time it was 96% charged. Ather has also updated the user interface on its 7-inch touchscreen instrument cluster, and it now feels more user-friendly than before. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 212 quad-core processor, it gets 2 GB of RAM along with 16 GB of internal storage. The display shows a host of information and it gets 4 riding modes as well, namely Smart Eco, Ride, Sport and Warp mode. In terms of performance, there aren't any updates this time, but the 450X has always been a great scooter with consistent performance, and it still has the same character. While the company claims a top speed of 80 kmph for this electric scooter, we were able to sprint up to 91 kmph as per the speedometer and Ather's ride statistics. Ather has updated the tires as well of this product. The company has partnered with MRF to develop special tires for the 450X. At the front, it gets a 90 by 90 section 12-inch tubeless tire, while at the rear, it gets a new 100 by 80 section 12-inch tubeless tire. We rode the new Ather 450X for a brief period of time and took it to Nandi Hills near Bengaluru. My overall riding experience has been pretty satisfying as the 450X still offers the same performance as before. Moreover, thanks to enhanced riding range, better UI on the instrument cluster and new tires, it feels like a more matured product. Ather claims that the new MRF tires of the 450X offer 22% better grip on wet roads, and we can agree that as it was raining on our way to Nandi Hills and the 450X MRF tires came to the rescue and they perform better than its older tires, which I can recall from my previous encounter with this electric scooter. The company has tuned the suspension as per the new tires, but the ride quality remains the same as before, and it remains planted even at speeds of up to 80 kmph. Ather is also offering a bunch of new accessories with the 450X, including a tire pressure monitoring system, new footstep, luggage units, helmets, etc. While the tire pressure monitoring system is priced at Rs 5,000, The company will be revealing the price of other accessories soon. Ather has not revealed the prices of the 450X as of now. The company will be revealing the prices of the new Gen 3 Ather 450X on 19 July. Bookings for the same commenced on 15 July while the deliveries will begin on 20 July. As of now, the Ather 450X is priced at Rs 1.38 lakh ex showroom Delhi. We expect the new Gen 450X to charge a premium of around Rs 10,000 to Rs 15,000 over the current prices. What are your thoughts on the new Gen 3 Ather 450X? Do let us know in the comments below. Also, do like this video, share it with your dear ones and subscribe the Express Drives official YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.